Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an acrylic application tutorial. So today you'll be learning how to place your acrylic on the nail and everything, like how to do the structure, where to start, how to finish, how to smoothen it out. Now me personally, my acrylic application is really good. I do good on my application. It's not perfect, but it is good. I like my application. I make sure it's smooth and make sure it's crispy. That's when I shape. It's more crispy when I shape. But I do like how my application comes out. So I'm here to share with you guys some tips on what I do and show y'all how y'all should be applying your acrylic to the nail plate. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the times change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's all embarrassing.
Okay guys, so right now I'm just blending the nail into the natural nails to make it look more better, and obviously so the acrylic can adhere better on the nail. It'll be more smoother, and yeah. And if y'all want to check out my nail prep tutorial I have, it's like the first thing you see when what's it called. I also will link it in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out so you can learn how to get good retention that can last up to a month or more. Like, I know with that retention. I still have my nails on. I really do. I have my nails on, and I did these like almost 3 weeks ago. I still have my nails on. But yeah, make sure y'all go check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the description box below, and it also will be at the end screen of this video. I'll go ahead and put that right there as well. So yeah, make sure y'all go see that. But yeah, right now we're just filing, making sure everything is crispy. And now we're gonna go ahead and do our prep real quickly. I'm using Mia's Secret Dehydrating Primer and Young Nails Protein Bond. But recently, I'm gonna also get the No Lips Primer because I heard that is so good. And like, I just want y'all retention to be top tier. And if it can last 2 months, that would be amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that just to make it even better. But yeah, I'm super excited about what's coming up because you guys, your girl has just ordered some V Beauty Pure products. It's not a lot. I'll order like 3 acrylics, but it's okay because I really wanted to try it because I've been seeing it everywhere and it's just so beautiful and it's so pretty, and I'm like, okay, I must try it. So obviously I'm making a video about swatching that as well. So I'm super excited about that, and I'm also swatch the new polishes I have. I got some nude polishes. Probably make a little video of both, but your girl is so excited and ready to get that package. It says ready to ship. It should be here at least by next week because it ships pretty quickly. So yeah, I'm super excited, and then I'm gonna get more and more. But like, I caught it on sale. I always catch my things on sale sometimes because like, it's better to get a little deal, you know. And I'm not promoting or anything, but Nail by Dace, like, if y'all follow her, y'all most definitely should. She's a great nail tech. She inspired me a lot, but she is an ambassador. So if y'all want some money off, go use her code Nail by Dace. Go use her code and get that money off, y'all. That's what I did. So if y'all want some money off Beauty Pure, use the code Nailed by Dace. Y'all got that. She got that. Use that code. Help her out, guys. But yeah, I just promoted for her. But it's okay. I don't mind. And then it's helping y'all as well because it gives y'all money off. So I'm happy to be helping. Hopefully one day I can become an ambassador and be able to give y'all my own code so y'all can get money off. But yeah, I forgot what acrylic we're using. I think it's 138 by Dynamic Nail Supply. That's what I think. I think it's 138. But it's like a sheer acrylic. But oh shoot, okay. So what you're gonna start out by doing, you're gonna take a nice little good bead and place it in the middle of the nail, from where the natural nail meets the nail tip, like in the middle of the nail right there, and you're just gonna tap it into place. Just keep tapping it, and then after you tap it enough and then spread it on the nail, then you're gonna brush it down. Make sure it goes all the way down, and then you also are gonna make sure when you first place it, push in the side so it won't flood and go everywhere. But make sure you take your time with your application. Sometimes you can wait a little bit before you place the other bead. And yeah, just tap into place how you see I'm doing it. And then push it up a little bit. Not too close to the cuticle, but a little bit that it's almost there. Me personally, I use multiple beads. I use as much beads as I think it would get. Because most people use the 3 bead method, 2 bead method, or the 1 bead method. I have done the 1 bead method before, but I just do as many beads as is needed. Because like, gotta make sure I get everything. And make sure you are tapping it fully into place. Make sure there's no spots because you don't want no lifting or anything. But I'm placing the cuticle beads. You're gonna gently push it up and tap it into place. And then you can go ahead and smooth that out. And then take the excess off with your brush or with your thumb. And that's it for the first one. Look how smooth that is. Like I zoomed in. See how smooth and nice that is? We always want that. But let's move on to the next one. As you can see, I'm placing it in the middle again. And I'm just using my brush to tap it down and to smooth it out. But like I recommend using like a medium bead when you're putting it in the middle of the brush. Like I'm finna do right here. I got a good size medium bead and I'm finna place that in the middle. I'm finna just tap this down. So yeah, just keep tapping it, bring it down, pushing the sides, and make sure it's all in one piece, and it goes down. And then if you need to, you can just clean off the sides by using your brush. But yeah, this is a very sheer. This is a sheer acrylic, so if you're wondering why it's not like fully colored at the bottom, it's because it's a sheer acrylic and it's like a clearish vibe, you know. So yeah, but yeah, we're just tapping it down. And now we're finna get another bead, which is probably gonna be the cuticle bead, and place it near the cuticle and push it in a little bit. Tap it into place. And after that's tapped into place, we're gonna go ahead and swoop that down and smoothing it throughout the whole nail. I am not against using multiple beads, but if you master the 1 bead method, that can most definitely save you time. I have not gotten there yet, but I did decent on the one time I did the 1 bead method. So just go at your own pace. Do what's better for you. As long as your acrylic is smooth and getting the job done, you're good for right now. And just keep working on it. Make sure you work on it. I'm still working on mine, but I highly recommend to really take your time and really get your application down before you move on to designs, because who wants lumpy nails with design? Not me. It's just gonna look weird. You can be like, what the world is this? The design is killing it, but this thickness is just not it. And then the design probably not even gonna look that good if it's that thick. So just letting y'all know. But again, here I am tapping it in the middle. That's the apex. Make sure you always put it in the middle just to put that apex, because the apex is the structure of the nail, and you want to make sure that your structure is there. Gotta make sure it's there, because if it's not there, your nail can just pop off or just lift or something. So make sure you really do a good job on that apex and put a good amount of acrylic right there, just so you can be able to have a good structure for your nail, because we don't want no lifting. And yeah. And then we got the bead, and we're placing it again right on the top of your nail. And yeah, what I forgot to show y'all how to do a bead to ratio. So let me go ahead and explain that right here. So if you want a big bead, you're gonna like have more monomer on your brush for that big bead. So you're gonna probably like swoop off just a little bit of monomer in your dapping dish to get a bigger bead, and then you're gonna tap it in the monomer. Do not dip it in. Do not dip it like directly on top. Do it at like a slight little angle and tap 3 times, and then when you come up, depending on what bead you want, if you're on a big bead, just let out a little bit of monomer out your brush. If you want a smaller bead, let out a decent amount of monomer, but not all your monomer. And if you want a medium bead, just take out half the monomer. So like for a big bead, take out 25% of your monomer. For a medium bead, take out 50% of your monomer. And for a small bead, take out 75% of your monomer in your brush. Okay? So here you finna see me. Ooh, okay, that's a little fast. Okay, let me slow this down for you guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm finna dip in the monomer, and I'm gonna come up just a little bit because I'm doing a smaller bead. So you see how I came up and I tapped 3 times in there, and now I'm waiting for it a little bit. Then I place it and I tap it into place. And now I'm finna go in at the same thing. If y'all just 75%, because I'm also going for another smaller bead, and I'm finna go ahead and place that after I just tapped 3 times in the acrylic. You see how I'm not, and I'm taking my time and tapping it into place. I'm filling in the gaps, and I'm going off the sides just to pull it back in, and I'm just smoothing everything down. Okay, I'm gonna show a slower motion, so I'm dipping my brush in the monomer, and then I'm coming up just enough. This is me emptying out 75% of my monomer. Then I'm gonna tap about 3-4 times, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place it. As you can see, we're placing it near the cuticle, but not directly on it. Just gonna tap, and then wipe our brush, and then tap it into place. Make sure we have it everywhere it needs to be. You're gonna smooth it all down. And as you can see, I'm using as much beads that I need to make sure it's fully encapsulated and fully there. And now we're placing more beads, a bigger bead up here by the cuticle, just to make sure we can get it all in the cuticle, but not flooding it. And then we're smoothing it out and fixing any imperfections. And then reshape, and then here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos, and go check out my nail prep tutorial that is linked in the description below. But thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.